One thing is very clear. To learn to trade Forex take years. And even for the ones that start to learn to trade Forex over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, just around 20% actually do make money from it. So, what is the trick here? How I can start to make money, you ask? Well, with Pure Prime, we have a copy service where you can copy the best Forex traders completely automatically. And the best thing of all, there are more than 30,000 people that you can copy today. So you can go to a list like you see here, and you can just choose the ones you want to copy. And the good thing of this, everything is set up with risk levels. That means you can very easily go in and choose someone that is pre-elected from the system to be a good trader. Yes, you can easily choose, for example, a risk 3, 4, or 5. But then you need to understand, higher the number, higher is the risk. Higher also can be the reward. So you need to decide, maybe I put a small percent of my money that I have deposited to Pure Prime, and I get maybe a little more from it. But before I talk anything more now, if you think this is interesting, link below the video and you can get started today. And not only that, by that link, you're getting 2 times your first deposit. So if you deposit $1,000, yes, you get 2,000 that you can trade with. So it's an easier way so you can get started, so you have a more power when you're trading, and you have more lot size. More lot size means more money you can make. Okay, let's continue. So, by choosing, I would say go for the ones, but don't take it a 1 to be a 1. What I mean with that, when you see a risk 1, do this. For example, let's take one random here now. Let's go to this one here, this one from Great Britain. Okay, what we do? Says it's a risk 1. He have just one person that copy him from before. Then we just wait till load ups. Okay, so here you can see this is a regular trader. But you can see, if you go like a little down here now, you see have a max drawdown of 95%. That means in one time in his life when he was trading, this looks like was back in 2024, he basically lost everything. So now he have learned, maybe he have learned, so he's not so bad like he was back then, but shows that he had some type of emotions he trading with. I would stay away from this trader for now. He need longer time to prove himself. So no need, as you have 30,000 people, we don't need to copy people like him. So let's go up. Let's take another one here. Let's take this one here. I don't know which country this is. Tell me below in the comments which country this is. So this one, we can see he's better. He's doing a lot of daily return. So I want to go in a little higher. Let's go to weekly. So we can see he had one bad week. That is completely okay because he's doing quite good every single week otherwise. And he's doing quite good. Let's go to monthly. Take a look there to check if you traded for a while. And he had traded actually for a while. So this one I would say would be a safer bet to go for. So this one I would copy. And you can see also he have 574 people that trust their money with this user. Would I put all my money into this person here? No, I would not do so. But it's a good way of choosing at least one. You should choose probably like 4 or 5. If you put in $1,000 and you get your bonus of so you get 2,000, trade 4 or 5 people. I will do that. And here you can see max drawdown. That is something you need to look on also. You see max drawdown on this specific user is less than 26%. I would say that is completely fine. It's quite normal that through a longer period of time when you're trading, this can happen. So yes, this person is one I would copy personally myself. So, but don't take my word on it. Do yourself the time to take your investigation. I did basically just go into 3 different people. If I did go through maybe like 50, 60 people, I would start to get a list of people that is maybe much better than this one. So take your time, it's your money. Start to choose the ones you want to copy. Copy like 4 or 5 people, and you will start to get a passive good income just by copy people, and you don't need to learn to trade Forex yourself. To learn to trade Forex, I feel is something from the past. When you have systems like this, it's not necessary. Why learn something and have the stress of trading when you can just put in some money, relax and see other people stressing with your money? Right? So, don't stress yourself, let other people stress for you, and just enjoy life instead. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Link below the video if you think this was interesting. Sign up today. Make sure you take advantage of the bonus, and let's get started. Make some comment below the video also and tell me what you think. Have an amazing day.